Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment Ask Me, and I'll try to answer. The informations of this video are from Google search. Our topic for today is my video filtered in restricted mode when it's reported as inappropriate by community? The explanation of this question are: a video is not automatically filtered from restricted mode when it's reported by the community. What YouTube did is they review reported videos for violations of YouTube community guidelines. Some videos don't violate YouTube policies, but may not be appropriate for all audiences. In this case, YouTube review team may place an age restriction on the video. Videos that are age restricted will not appear for users who have restricted mode turned on. I hope this topic will clarify some information about restricted mode. And this is where I got the reference of this video from Google search. A special thanks to all my channel member, Roots Joel, Bert Lambojo, Mirasol Idlon TV, and Motiatiel. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.